Good morning, class. Today, we're going to learn about adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns or pronouns.
Like beautiful, big, and happy, right?
Exactly. Adjectives can describe the size, color, shape, or state of something. For example, she has a beautiful dress, he lives in a big house, and they are happy together.
Can adjectives also show feelings?
Yes, they can. Adjectives can express emotions too. For instance, she was surprised by the unexpected news, or he felt anxious before the exam.
What about comparisons? Like bigger, more beautiful, and happier.
You're right. Adjectives can also be in comparative or superlative forms to compare two or more things. For example, she is taller than her sister, or it was the most exciting trip I've ever had.
Can adjectives be used before any noun?
Almost any noun. While some adjectives can be used before most nouns, there are specific rules about word order. For example, we say, a red apple, but an interesting book.
I see. Adjectives make our language more colorful and descriptive.
Absolutely. Now, let's practice more examples.
The blank, red, blue, yellow car belongs to my brother.
Is it red, blue, or yellow?
Red.
Correct. The red car belongs to my brother.
She bought a blank, expensive, cheap, nice necklace for her mother's birthday.
Is it expensive, cheap, or nice?
Nice.
Well done. She bought a nice necklace for her mother's birthday.
The movie was blank, interesting, boring, exciting, that I watched last night.
Is it interesting, boring, or exciting?
Exciting.
Right. The movie was exciting that I watched last night.
Okay, let's find out how well you understand what's being said. Try to answer the questions in this conversation. Just 4 questions. Let's start. Question 1. Which adjective is the comparative form of happy? Options are A. Happiest, B. Happier, C. Happier, D. Happiest. Answer is B. Happier. Which adjective describes something of little value or quality? Options are A. Expensive, B. Nice, C. Cheap, D. Beautiful. Answer is C. Cheap. Which adjective is used to compare 3 or more items? Options are A. More interesting, B. Interesting, C. Most interesting, D. Interestinger. Answer is A. More interesting. Which adjective describes something full of excitement and energy? Options are A. Boring, B. Exciting, C. Beautiful, D. Ugly. Answer is B. Exciting. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment your score. Thanks for your practice and learning together.